Does your key look something like this? Comment below. Is there any way to fix this or repair it? Like the buttons all still work and
no,
it still starts.
Because the top piece, so this key comes in 3 separate pieces. Okay. There's no way I don't have super glue, and I wouldn't recommend
there's
super glue.
Not a way to like just take all the buttons inside. Here's what I found previously by calling lots of Honda dealers around the US. Confusion about whether the broken key can be repaired or must be replaced.
Thank you for calling.
I've got a 2011 Honda Pilot. The metal key broke out of the plastic case. Are you guys able to fix that?
Good news, we can actually just do that metal insert here. We don't have to do the whole key.
All right.
Okay, so there's not really no fixing it. We can replace it. We can buy, you have to buy a new case of it.
We could replace it. We wouldn't be able to fix the key, but we could definitely replace the key and get you a new one.
Oh, yeah, you would buy a new key and program.
Okay, gotta buy a new key.
I could do a rebuild for the key that you have. So basically what I would do is I would cut a new key for you.
Only thing you can do is replace it.
I found that 40% of dealerships insisted on replacing the key instead of repairing it. Sounds like a way to extract more money from customers, if you ask me. Let me explain what's happening with these keys. The metal blade snaps off the fob like this. I think this is really a design flaw. The plastic tends to break. Watch how quick it is for me to use this key repair kit. First, remove the electronics from the broken key. Next, put them in the new key shell with the blade that was cut by our key by photo technology to match the old key. Third, put the back onto the shell. That's it, we're done. There we go. It was less than 5 minutes to fix with the help of TomsKey Company. Making a spare key at home is fast, affordable, and easy to do.